just picked up our rafts from the sports ranch.
What's the point? Like, I don't even... You just make me feel like shit sometimes. I think you should start to know that, because as soon as you do, you can start to accept that you're the piece of shit. Now, fuck you.
Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in. Funny how you back for the loving. I got one too many tricks up my sleeve. I mustn't leave. Overdose of empathy. My pops and me. More screenshots of me. The streets are free. Go ahead and take from me. Feeling right, out of line. Gotta hit my boy Ricky for the way up the time. Proud of driven, but it's nothing but the climb and grind. Take my time, tripping over space and time. My mind in line, speaking like a god of time. My modest mind, speaking from the heart of kind. A way to find another way to pass the time I made.
Okay, Spain sucks right now. This is like
Already.
Italy, Belgium might win. Yeah, I think Italy. Yeah. Or England too. Those three are the top three right now. But you never know. I've seen like the new.
All ready to go round.
I don't know what.
More screenshots of me, the streets are free. Go ahead and take from me. Break a mirror, fight fire with fear. Kicking the highest gear, you're on the highest tier. And when you're contemplating about a nation breaking, don't erase a fight, we'll take a stand. Take the middle row, hate to hear it. Go break your spirit, go waste a year. So tell yourself that you go be enough. When the time's rough, it's kinda hard to hear it. So I'm holding big dreams, sending you a plan for a life of schemes. I'm struggling to hold on, knowing that you're gone in your own kind. Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in. Funny how you back for the loving. I got one too many tricks up my sleeve. I mustn't leave. Overdose of empathy, my pops and me. More screenshots of me, the streets are free. Feeling no one feel for me. Running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in. Funny how you back for the loving. I got one too many tricks up my sleeve. I mustn't leave. Overdose of empathy, my pops and me. More screenshots of me, the streets are free. Go ahead and take from me.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city? Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present. Mom will slip the Adela.
Finally here. This is the Emerald Lake in BC. Hello. We're
Hello.
finally here.
Yeah, we're finally here.
I know. This
Quite
is the
nice.
second time here.
Yeah.
Gonna go to the restaurant first to pick up something because someone is hungry already.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
But it's less busier than we came last year.
I know.
It's quite nice.
Oh, the water is so nice. I love the water. The color.
Lessons I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like. Oh, wouldn't that be nice if that was me? If I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? But there's not to say that I'm not happy with my life this way. 'Cause I know both ways that I'll be
See the cheap guys.
We're in Banff now. And we got bubble tea. And this guy has been drunk the whole day. I don't know why. He's just like speaking other languages that I don't understand.
No, it's just that I've heard other languages. Now they're stuck in my head. Like I think there's some French. Yeah. So.
Babe, this is my channel. You should be filming me.
Oh right, and back to the main presentation.
Ooh. We have a little Danish here. Hi, say hi to your friend. Say hi to your ancestor.
That's you.
This is you,
Round?
and that is me.
Round and then like you're
What?
munching on the food.
How does it feel for your second race?
Feels good. It feels good. We'll see how it goes.
Looking good.
Thank you.
You need to wear your black suit next time so it matches.
Yes. I will do that. Yeah, feels good. We'll see how practice goes.
You need to eat your breakfast though.
We're worried about the transponder still, but
Just charge it. Just charge it when during the lunch break.
yeah.
Yeah. You good? All suit up?
We're ready to go.
You gonna wear your helmet?
Yeah. Not yet, because we're still waiting a little bit.
Okay.
But yeah, I think it should be good.
I think you need some sunscreen.
It's a massive field,
I know.
so we'll see how it goes. Yes. Looking forward. I think.
What's your little like victory dance? Do a little
Yes, I'll have to work on that. Yeah.
your little victory dance. What would it be? You don't have that yet?
Don't have that yet.
Okay. It looks super dark.
I'm going for
Okay.
yeah. Sorry, I had carts on that side. So.
Lead the way.
You good? Already. The Team Ghetto cart. Oh shit, spilled a bit.
Oh God.
It's okay, it's only a little dry.
Which line do you need to get to?
Which line?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Sorry, do you have a... Crap, I forgot. Can you get one of those used towels?
Yes.
If you don't mind, please?
Just keep filming for me.
Alright. There she is. This is the cart. It's a 4-stroke cart. As you can see, definitely Team Ghetto, because has some marks. Got this as a used cart, because new ones are too expensive, but can live the dream a bit. And it has a Briggs motor in it. Just on that side here. And yeah, so this is my 3rd season of racing.
Here on my video.
Ah, yes. Towel, thank you.
I said you need to do like a brush up. All the numbers are even like scratched. Is this senior? Rotax?
Yeah, Rotax Master.
Okay. I smell all the fuel.
Who do I call if it ain't you?
Where did he put this little card? Let's go find it. It's yellow. Okay, I saw it. Okay, let's grab this little guy. Gonna come out from this area. Is everything okay? Did your transponder not? I don't think it registered. I don't know. Did you not register online? No, it did. I don't know if it's an issue with the battery. Oh no. The part is here. Oh no, the transponder did not register. That's why his name is not on the board. You might need someone to help you though. It didn't register? Oh. Thank you so much. I think so.
Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what
But just finished my first spin class at, where is it? Hot Shop. Hot Shop. Hot Shop? Hot Shop. It was pretty good, but I feel gross. Yep. And I forgot to bring a towel, so we're actually sharing one. Oh my god. Ew.
Forever and always sharing one towel. We went rafting and
We didn't even use it.
we didn't even use it,
yeah.
but still,
Yeah,
we had
yeah.
one small towel,
But-
and now
We got a bigger towel for 2
One-
instead of 4 this time.
one day we will bring more than one.
As I'm talking, I'm still sharing the same towel. Ew. Gross!
As if we weren't putting that on our face the whole time.
It felt good.
Oh yeah, it feels amazing.
I think we can do it like once a month, but definitely not like few times a week.
Oh no, this is not a thing that we do like regularly.
Yeah, no. I'm glad I'm just boating on Saturday instead of going on like a hauling peak. Man, I would die.
Yeah, girls.
Yo, I realized you again in my video.
Because I'm your best friend.
Yeah, you hear that, bitches?
We're actually really friendly, except for her.
We don't bully people. We're super nice. We're not like any of the.
If we have to tell them that we're nice, we probably won't. Just kidding.
I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom.